Water Ram. The ultimate tool for clearing clogged sinks, toilets, slow-draining showers and tubs, and other small drains. The compact, lightweight Water Ram is fast and easy to use, and its clog-busting power is so effective that the Water Ram pays for itself in as little as 4 uses. The Water Ram easily clears debris, sediment, scale, and even grease in lines from 1 1/4 to 4 inches in diameter. It's the ideal tool for maintaining apartment buildings and hotels, schools and universities, restaurants, hospitals, RV and trailer parks, and other locations with multiple drains. It's safer than chemicals, cleaner than snakes, and less expensive to use than CO2 cartridges. The Water Ram provides a safe, clean way to clear smaller pipes and drains. Just pump it up, insert it in the drain, and snap the trigger. It's that quick. The Water Ram pulverizes the stoppage, even if it's on the far side of a drum trap or a series of difficult bends that would stop a traditional plumbing snake. The Kinetic Water Ram uses a burst of compressed air, which strikes the column of water in a clogged pipe. The resulting shock wave, called kinetic energy, hits the stoppage at a speed of approximately 4,700 feet per second, quickly clearing the blockage and flushing waste particles away. Since the shock wave travels so fast, it bypasses vents and 98% of the force hits the clog head-on. There's no pressure built up in the system, so pipes and joints aren't affected. The Water Ram is easy to use. To begin, make sure there is water up to the top of the drain opening. The shock wave travels only through water, not air. If you are clearing a double sink or a sink with an overflow, just cover the other opening with a wet rag to protect against splashback. Pump up the ram to the desired pressure. The Water Ram's air cylinder can pump up to 80 psi, but most stoppages can be cleared with just 20 to 40 pounds of pressure. The gauge indicates the amount of pressure that you've built up in the ram. The best way to begin is with low pressure, about 10 pounds. You may have to remove the strainer or plug to allow the cone to seat properly into the drain opening. Once the Water Ram is pumped up, wedge the tip of the rubber cone into the drain opening. Press down on the Water Ram firmly to create a good seal. Then snap the trigger. The clog will disintegrate and flush away. If the drain doesn't clear the first time, simply apply more pressure. Pump up the ram in 5-pound increments and repeat until the drain is clear. Remember these important safety rules as you use the Water Ram. Wear safety glasses or goggles to protect your eyes from any debris thrown from the drain. Never use the tool in a drain that has a chemical drain cleaner in it. This video is not a complete list of all the recommended safety procedures and will not provide specific instructions for every application. Disregarding any of the safety procedures while using the Kinetic Water Ram can result in serious personal injury or damage to the equipment. Please refer to your user manual for further details.